Father, thank you for my family. I pray that you draw them closer to you and they submit to you with all their hearts and all their minds. Help them in all their doings. Heavenly Father, please bless our families with your love and protect us from harm. Give us grace to forgive, strength to overcome the difficulties we face, and keep us together when the world tries to pull us apart. Dear God, I come before you with my family today. Be our guide in whatever we do. Help us to live in unity. I pray that each one of us will grow in understanding. Lord, I ask that you will cover my family with your grace, love, and protection. Help us to love you with all our heart, soul, mind, and strength. And may we love one another as you have commanded us. Dear God, I come before you today to pray for every member of my family. I pray you bless each and every one of them with their heart desires. If any of them is going through hard times, please deliver them and restore them with your blessings.